Good morning and thanks for joining in today. Today I'm going to make a delicious vegetarian pulao. If you are a lover of vegetarian dishes, then you will love this pulao. First thing we're going to do, in cooking oil, I'm putting some sliced onions, which I'm going to fry until they're golden brown. While our onions are frying, we're going to grind some spices. So the dry spices I've chosen are, I've got a whole dried red chili, bay leaf, dry bay leaf, few curry leaves, cinnamon stick. I've got one star anise. I've got a few cardamoms, green cardamoms, and seeds of black cardamoms. I've taken the shells off. Black cumin, white cumin. I've got peppercorns, black peppercorns, and a few cloves. All of these are going to go into my spice blender, and I'm going to blend this into a powder. So there is our spice mix, which is ground into a fine powder. You might wonder why I always grind my spices, especially the whole spices. The reason is the flavor of these spices is in the oils which are contained in these spices, and they come out more fragrant and more aromatic and more tastier if you grind them. I like to grind them. Some people use them as a whole, which is absolutely fine, but I like to grind these spices. Next thing we are going to do, we are going to grind some other ingredients into a paste. So to make a paste, I'm going to use my hand blender, and into my jug I'm putting some salt, chopped green chilies. I've taken the seeds out because I don't want it to be too hot and spicy. You can leave the seeds in if you don't mind the spice too much. I'm putting chopped tomatoes, fennel seeds, and a couple of tablespoonfuls of yogurt. So there we are, our paste is ready. Our onions are nice and golden brown. Into it I'm going to add some freshly grated ginger and garlic. So after the ginger and garlic are cooked, add your ground spices that we had just grounded earlier. We're going to cook these for maybe a minute or two. Once your spices are cooked for a couple of minutes, add the paste of the yogurt, tomatoes, green chilies, etc. that we made earlier. Cook this for another 5 minutes until the white color of the yogurt has almost disappeared. Once the yogurt is cooked, I'm going to add our potatoes, which I have cut into medium-sized pieces, and I'm adding my peas. You can use fresh peas or frozen peas. I'm using frozen peas because we don't get fresh peas here very easily. They both taste the same. So we're going to have a look at this in 10 minutes. We want the potatoes and peas to be slightly tender. They don't have to be completely tender at this stage because they will also cook with the rice. Okay, let's check if our potatoes are becoming tender. I want the potatoes to be 3/4 cooked, and last quarter will cook with the rice. They're still not quite 3/4 cooked, a bit firm. So I'm going to add some water in it because otherwise my spices will start burning at the bottom. Not too much, a little bit of water. I put hot water in there, and maybe another 5 minutes. So our potatoes are 3/4 cooked. Now we are going to add the rice. I washed this rice and been soaking it in water for the past 1 hour, and I'm using basmati rice. I've been cooking all along on medium heat. Into the rice we're going to add the water, and I'm using hot water, and I'm going to let this cook on medium-high heat until we can see the rice on the top of the water with small pits in the surface of the rice. Let's check the salt. Need a bit more salt. As you can see, the rice has come to the surface of the water, and the little bubbles on the surface of the rice now. So we can turn the heat down completely and going to cover it with the lid. This will take another 10 minutes to cook completely. So the rice been cooking for about 10 minutes under the lid. Looks well cooked. Let's try it. Make sure it is well cooked. Yeah, lovely and tender. Potatoes look well cooked as well. Going to try a little bit. While this cools down a little bit, I'm going to garnish this with fried onions. And some fresh mint and coriander. Okay, let's try the taste. It's really nice. Lovely taste of spices. A lovely vegetarian pulao rice. Have it with the raita, mint chutney, and enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Until next time, see you soon. Take care.